welcome back to some little information here from Postpreneur. This is a video specifically talking about the ATM and the economics of your placements, especially internationally and locally. So I'm going to give you a bigger explanation or a bigger concept here that it's very important. Depending on where your placement is internationally or even locally, it'll affect the amount of transactions that your placement makes. For example, I'm in China right now, and China is one of the countries that has a huge currency transactions, a lot of currency transactions going around in the economy. For example, booking a hotel. I talked to a couple of people here, and also as well as myself, you can book the hotel, but most of the payments for the majority of the hotels are mostly going to be cash, especially by the locals here in the local economy. Of course, the larger, giant hotels, of course, they're going to, be using a credit card. But you got to think of where your advantage is at, and your advantage is at the smaller hotels and the smaller, not small hotels, but the people are going to be using the most transactions with cash. That's what you want to worry about because that's what your business is. So, to recap, depending on your local economy, especially when we're talking about internationally, you want to think about the economy itself, because the economy itself will affect and determine the amount of transactions that you do have out there in your economy, the economy that you put the placement in. So a lot of places, there's gold mines, there's plenty of opportunity. You just have to dig in there and ask those deep questions, and you'll be doing very well. Okay, so anyway, that's it right there. I just want to give you a little update. Like I said, I'm here in mainland China, doing a little bit of market research here, and giving you guys information about the ATM IDO business, or what some people call the ATM business. So I'm giving you a little information about that to help you understand a little bit more about it. Okay, hopefully that was helpful. You got value about that. Look me up on social media, or also just look me up on some of the links down below to get more information, check out some more videos, and take it easy. Peace.